Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Success EduTech. I am Gajanan here to teach you mathematics with your basic concepts and with an easy way solution of your problem. For this you have to like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is an online platform we are providing you for clearing your doubts and a problem with a discussion on each and every topics. Now today we are learning some multiplication tricks of 2-digit, 3-digit number based to 100 calculation within a 10 second. How to multiply with a 2-digit multiplication, 3-digit multiplication within a 10 second, which helps you to make your calculation strong and faster. Our main aim is to make each and every student strong and perfect in each and every subject. For any doubts regarding mathematics, I am here, you can ask me. Now let us start. For such a more video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Never miss to press a bell icon for more updates. Now today's topic is multiplication of 2-digit number, 3-digit numbers and multiply any numbers by 9, 11 and 18 and base to 100 calculations and thousands calculation. This is our today's topic. In this topics we are learning how to multiply 2-digit number within a 10 second, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. I will tell you some tricks for calculation. This is our aim, today's aim. Now start with multiplication of a 2-digit number. Here one problem is given, that is, here one problem is given 45 multiplied by 56. How it is calculated in easy way. Now write 45 and 56 multiplication. Now write same as it is. 5 6 are 30 here, 5 4s are 20 here, and then 5 5s are 25 plus 6 4s are 24. I am writing this 49. Now I am writing now 0 as it is. Carry 1 digit, last digit 1 digit. 3 become carry, then get 52. 52 का राइट कर रहा हूँ 2, देन 52 में से 5 कैरी यहाँ पे चले जाएंगे तो 25 0, 25 20. This is our answer. Now again I am repeating 45. Again I am repeating 45 multiplied by 56. I am writing here 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 and 6 4s are 24. We get becomes 49. Now I am taking one digit from after 0. This 3 become 52. 3 become carry here. Then get 52 52. 5 carry again 25 20. This is our answer. I am mention here again. Now I am writing step, each and every step. 45 multiplied by 56. Then write this 5 6 are 30 here, 5 4s are 20 here, and 5 5s are 25 plus 6 4s are 49. I am writing middle of these two numbers. Now next onward क्या कर रहा हूँ आगे. I am taking 0 as it is, then 3 become carry, did get 52. 52 का 2 नीचे लिखा, then 5 again carry, 20 में ऐड किया तो 25. This become my answer. Now solve this. 96 multiplied by 98. I am writing 96 multiplied by 78. 8 6 are 48, 9 7 are 63, 7 6 are 42, 8 7 are 72. We get here 4 11. Now 114. Now take one digit, last one digit, that is unit plate digit 8 as it is. Now 4 become carry, it get 118. So I am writing here 8. 11 become now carry. If I add 11 in 63, we get 74. I am writing 74 here. This is my answer, 7488 of this multiplication answer. If you are practicing, you get a easy way. You are getting very quickly. You are getting answer very quickly. Now solve this one. 56 multiplied by 89. I am writing 56 multiplied by 89. 9 6 are 54. 8 5 are 40. Now 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 9 5 are 45. We get here 5 8 3 93. I am writing 93 in the middle. Then carry one digit at the last. 4. This 5 become 93 plus 5 98. 98 means 9 again carry 49. 49 84. This is our answer. 4984. This is our answer of this question. Question number 3rd. You try to practice at your home. It is very easy way. If you are practicing more, then you will get easy way. Within a 5 seconds you get an answer. Now next is multiplication of a 3-digit number. Multiplication of a 3-digit number. How to multiply? I am solving one problem as it is again here. Explaining. Now this is our problem. First problem. 145 multiplied by 563. I am writing 5 multiplied by 6, 30 here. Then 5 multiplied by 1, 5 here. Then 3 ones are 3 and 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3. I am writing in the middle of these two. Now 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 24. I am writing 39 again. This calculation here. This calculation here. Now I am calculating 1 4 5. Then 5 6 3. Cross multiplication of each in the middle of this. So 5 6 ones are 6. 5 5s are 25 means 34 31. 31 plus 12. 4 3s are 12, that is 43. I am writing in the middle of this. Now taking one digit at the end. 0 here. 3 become 42. 42 का 2 नीचे लाया. Then 4 कैरी चले गया. 4 कैरी जाने में 47 जाएगा. 47 में से 7 लिखा. 4 again get carry. 47 27. 27 में का 7 नीचे लिखा. Again 2 carry. So 7. So we get 77720 of answer of this answer. 7720 of this question. Now try to solve it. This is next one. That is 2 3 6 6 3 1. 6 ones are 6. 2 6s are 12. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 and 6 we get 24 here. Now 3 ones are 3, 18 plus that is 20, 18 plus 3, 21. Now 2 ones are 2, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2, we get 38, 38 plus 9, 38 plus 9, 38 means 2 आ गया है, then 47, I am writing here. Now last digit will be carry, 6 again, 1 as it is, 2 get carry, so here get 49, 49 में से 4 carry, 28, 28 में से 8, 2 carry, then 14. My answer is 14, 8, 9, 1, 6. This is my answer of this question. Now again try, again one second one, that is, again my second one, that is 2, 5, 3, 3, 2, 1. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 5 ones are 5, 6 plus 11, 2 twos are 4, 5 plus 15, that is get 19, 2 ones are 2, 9, 11, 11 plus 10, 21. Now again last digit will be carry 3, 1 as it is, again last digit 1 carry, 1 get carry, that 22, 22 का 2, 2 again carry, then again 21, 21 का 2 carry, 8. My answer is 8, 1, 2, 1, 3. This is an easy way to multiplying 3-digit number, 2-digit number. I hope you have clear all the doubts regarding your multiplication of 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Now we are seeing multiplication by multiply by 9. How easy way. Now just see multiply by 9. How to multiply by 9. Now here let us see 256 multiplied by 10 कीजिए, we get simple way I will tell you. 256, put 1 0 and subtract 256 from this. We get answer 4 0 3 2. This is our answer. Multiply by 9. यहाँ पे क्या करना है 56 के आगे एक 0 लगाना है, देन सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 56, तो बचे 4 0 अगेन 4. So again same here for third problem, that is 858, put a 0 and subtract 858 from the next number, that is 2 6 2 2, then 5 में से 8 गए 7, then 1 7 7 2 2, double 7 double 2. This is our answer of this question. Now try this one. This one is simple, that is put 1 0 after 25 and subtract 25. We get 225. Here is also 65, put 0, subtract 65, we get 5. 5 में से 15 में से 7 गए, बचे 8, again 5. 585 is your answer of this 65 multiplied by 9. Now multiply by 11. How to multiply by 11? This is a very simple one. Now for this I am writing, start with your basic problem, 2-digit number 25 multiplied by 11. Write 1, that is last unit place digit as is 5. 5 plus 2, that is 7, and 2 here. This is your answer of multiplied by 11. 25 multiplied by 11. Now again for 55. 55 ऐसे वैसे लिखा, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 11 करना है मुझे, तो मैं क्या करूँगा 5 वैसे कैसे 5 प्लस 5 10, 10 का 0 रखूँगा 1 डिजिट, देन 1 कैरी हो चुका है, 5 plus 1 that is 6, 650. This is my answer. Now again for 85 multiplied by 11. If I multiplied by 85 by 11, so क्या कहा है लास्ट डिजिट जैसे कि वैसा 5. now एडिशन 5 plus 18 13, 13 का 3 लिखा, 1 गेट कैरी, 8 जो लिखना 8 में 1 ऐड करूँगा, that is 935. This is my answer. Now for 3 digit number, same procedure, 256 multiplied by 11, we get 6 as it is. 5 plus 6 11, 11 का 1 लिखा, 1 कैरी, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8, and 2 वैसे के वैसा. This is my answer of this question, that is 2 2 8 1 6. This is my answer. Now इसका क्या आया था आंसर आपका 5 0 6. इसका आंसर क्या आया था 506. इसका आंसर आया था 5 3 9. तो इसका 275. इसका 5 0 5 1 7. इसका क्या आएगा अभी 9 एज इट इज. 9 plus 4 13, 13 का 3 1 कैरी, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 का 1 कैरी, 7 plus 8 8 9. दिस इज माई आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. 751 इसका आंसर है. इसका आंसर 275. इसका आंसर 605. इसका आंसर ये है. आई होप यू आर क्लियर रिगार्डिंग मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ एनी नंबर बाय 11 डाउट. नाउ मल्टीप्लीकेशन बाय 18 करना क्या है यहाँ पे, you have to make a double of this multiplying factor, that is 256. Start with your simple one. Multiply 25 by 18. So 25 का डबल मीन्स कितना होता है आपका 25 का डबल कितना होगा 50. Put 1 0 and subtract double from this, that means 50. We get here 440 450. कितना आंसर आएगा 450. ये आपका आंसर आएगा. सो अगेन इसका आंसर कितना है आपका, दैट इज 450. सो इसका 65 का डबल 130. पुट 1 0 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट 130 फ्रॉम दिस, सो 0 7 1 1 1170 इसका आंसर आएगा। नाउ 74 का डबल 70 70 70 70 70 और 70 140 140 प्लस 8 148 का 0 एंड 148 माइनस। सो कितना बचेगा मेरा 2 3 3 1332। इतना किसका आंसर आएगा 1332। नाउ अगेन फॉर 56 का डबल 50 50 112 पुट 1 0 एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 1 12। सो 8 0 0 1 1 0 0 8। This is my answer of this question. I hope you understand this. So what is the basic behind this? What is the basic behind this multiplication? Basic of this, if I multiplied by 18, I take a base 20 here. If I multiplied by 9, then take a base here 10. If I multiplied by 11, again you can say that base is 10. First I multiply this particular number by 10 and adding 1 times again this is a base. Now base to 100 calculations, that means if you have to multiply 102 and 98, you have to make a multiplication of this. I simply refer you टेल कितना 100 से कितना ज़्यादा है 2 प्लस और 100 से कितना करना है -2. सो राइट मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 2 ज़ा 4 हियर 102 में से 2 गए कितने बचे 100. दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ 102 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 98 वी गेट 10004. This is your answer of this question. Now try another one, that is 98 multiplied by 96. 100 से कितना कम है -2. 100 से कितना कम है -4. So I simply multiply 2 4s are 08 and subtract 4 90. ऐसा subtract करो, कोई भी subtract करो, we get the same answer, that is 94. So my answer become 98 multiplied by 96 equal to 9408. This is your base to 100 calculations. Now base to 1000. Base to 1000. 1101 multiplied by 998. So कितना है 01 और ये कितना है 02. So कितना लिखना है 002 और ये 2 गए मीन्स 9 9 9. दिस इज योर आंसर. सॉरी ये 0 नहीं चाहिए, ओनली 99902. दिस इज योर आंसर of this multiplication. Again one take example 998 multiplied by 996. कितना काम है 1000 से कितना काम है 2, यहाँ पे 4. सो 08 and subtract this 96 में से गए 99994. This is our answer of a 9999 multiplied by 996. This is nothing but your base to 100 calculation. For more, now thank you. In your next class we are continuing how to find a square of a 2-digit number or a square root of a particular or any number or a perfect square number. We are learning this in your next video. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I hope you have cleared all the doubts regarding your topics. Please stay connected here for more such updates and easy way to learning. Thank you.